Hello and welcome to another activereach technical tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up some basic internet DNS security using Open DNS. Open DNS has now been taken over by Cisco Umbrella. Essentially it has the same product as when it was launched, which was a way to redirect DNS requests on a corporate network or a home machine or a home network, and get some basic filtering for adult content or for phishing, for malware. So I'm just going to demonstrate the very basic, the Open DNS Family Shield, which is a free DNS service which you can apply on a home network. And if you're a parent and you're looking to protect your children from stumbling across adult content, then this can be a good way to introduce this layer of security. So at the moment we can see, if we go to this demonstration site, internetbadguys.com, it comes up with the demonstration site, and very often adult content filters block proxy sites such as this one here, proxysite.com. Nothing wrong with this site, but you might find that people can use a proxy site like this to get to adult sites. And so a filter will very often prevent proxy sites from being used as well, as does Open DNS, which I'll demonstrate. So all we have to do is redirect the DNS servers to the Open DNS DNS servers, which are these ones here. So if you want to do this on a single machine, we can just go into the network properties for the LAN or the wireless network, like this, and change the DNS servers to the Open DNS addresses, like so. Rather than using the default. So on this machine at the moment, if you have a look at ipconfig, we can see it's picked up an IP address from a DHCP server, and the DHCP server has given out the Google public DNS IP addresses. Nothing wrong with using those, but they don't provide any good protection, which can enable you might be able to get to sites that you might want to try to prevent. And Open DNS gives you that extra layer of security. So if we change these servers here, just get those back. There you go. 2, 8. You'll now see in here that should have changed, and we now have these servers set here rather than using the ones which were provided by the DHCP server. And now if we go to this website here, you'll see it redirects and gives you a block page, and also this site should now be blocked as well. Seems to be coming up with a I was expecting that to just redirect. There we go, yeah. It had a certificate error, but just ignoring that. There we go, and you can see now the Open DNS site warning page has come up and just said it's blocked due to content filtering. So nice and easy to just change one machine on a home network to use Open DNS. Now you might want to do this across your whole network. So in this case, the IP addresses are being given out by a router. So if we go back into the properties for this one and just change it back to get those from the DHCP server. There we go. And just make sure that updates. There we go. And then if we change the DHCP server for this, which is this Cisco router. So here we go. You can see at the moment, there's our LAN pool and there's our DNS servers. Instead of changing it on the machine, we can change it on this router directly. So if we just go into conf mode and into this DHCP section, and change the servers to the Open DNS ones in the exact same way, which were these ones here. And there's one. Grab the other one. Like so. I'll just check that went in as I'd have expected it to. Yep, it's just overwritten those ones there. And now if we go back to this machine, I don't think it will immediately do it. We'll probably have to disable and re-enable the network. Let me just do that. There we go, and now you can see automatically this machine has now picked up that. So any machine connecting over this network will now automatically be given the Open DNS DNS IP addresses. And if we go to these sites that we want to block, such as internetbadguys.com, which is just a demonstration site, then it will be blocked. And any sites which are on the database for phishing can be blocked as well, and any adult content sites can be blocked as well. So nice and simple to implement this layer of DNS security on your network, and this is a basic implementation of it. And of course this service can be enhanced with custom block pages, with custom messages, custom sites that you can add to a whitelist or a blacklist, and have all sorts of additional configurations. And certainly if you're securing a corporate network, then you would want to consider a corporate Cisco Umbrella account. So you can look into that if you need to. But that was just a demonstration on how easy it can be to do this for your home network using your router on your network, or just to secure a single machine or device on your network. Well, I hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching.